Welcome to my channel. Today I'm still in Among Tani, Batu Malang, and I want to share you how to make bracelet. Let's get started. For making the bracelet, we need the items are cord and this measure tool, scissor, lighter, clip, ruler, and also I need the hard paper. The first step, we prepare the cord and you cut off the cord. This is the first cord, the length of 40 centimeter, and we need 2 pieces. Next, we need a second cord, the length of 120 centimeter. We need also 2 pieces. Put together the cord. This is the length of 40 centimeter, and you prepare the ruler and you measure 8 centimeter and you tie. Clip the base of the cord here so it cannot be moving. And next, the second cord you fold in half put this cord on the top of the base and you insert under the base. Like this. You press this one and you insert this cord under this one. And you pull it. Repeat the same process on the right side. Fold the cord in half and put this cord on the top, the base of the cord, like this. And you insert and press this one. And you pull this cord under this one. And pull it. Next step, take the first cord and put this cord on the top of the base of the cord. This is the baseline. And this is the end of the cord. And you insert under the base. And pull slowly. And then the end of the cord you insert again under the base. And you pack like this. Next, on the right side, you take the first cord, put the cord on the top of the base, and insert the end of the cord under the base, and you pull it gently. Next, the end of the cord insert under the base and put the end again on the base and pull. Put the first cord on the top of the base and insert the end of the cord under the base and pull. The end of the cord insert again under the base and put the end of the cord on the top of the base and pull it. Do the same process until the end of the cord. After you have done until here, you prepare the ruler and you measure 15 centimeter. And this is the base of the cord, and you lock. Then you measure 8 centimeter. You cut and you melt, and then you tie. Then you cut off the excess. Now we are going to make a strap. You take the excess of the cord, you cross, put the cord under this one, the main cord, and you tie. And then again. You need 3 times. You cut off, you melt. And the bracelet has been done. Thank you. Bye-bye.